Cares Cloud is a unique, innovative digital platform that Cares have established to track digitally the chain of custody from the mill all the way through to the project site. And it provides also the environmental product declarations that we need to demonstrate the carbon emissions associated with the embodied energy of the rebar. So we started to discuss the whole concept of tracking rebar digitally, getting away from bits of paper and proving compliance with QR codes and data in the cloud. And we developed a business proposition which went through various approval gateways to bring the project to life. There's several benefits that we can enable from this project. Firstly, we are providing a digital chain of custody, so we're avoiding having to check thousands of pieces of paper. It's all done digitally. Secondly, from our carbon perspective, we're using much more accurate data. For example, if we use generic world steel data, we'd have a figure of somewhere in the order of 1,500 kilograms of CO2 per tonne of material. By using the Cares Cloud, we know exactly which mill it's coming from and the carbon emissions associated with their EPDs. Much lower, much more accurate data.
We can work that out within minutes due to the information that we were collecting, whereas previously this could have taken days or weeks depending on the resource levels that we had. In terms of cost, we identified 3 million of benefit for 60,000 tonnes of steel rebar. I would say one of the blockers at the start was people just not understanding the system, but Cares Cloud were very easily able to adapt the training that they offered in a very concise way, and as soon as the subcontractors carried out that training, they were comfortable using the system, saw how easy it was to use, how quick it is to use, and that sort of removed the blockers for us. So it's just continuing that training as we go forward and making sure that we're offering that to who we need to offer it to. In terms of next steps and how it's used outside of Maester Goddess, I definitely see the use case across the whole industry, the whole construction industry, as it is giving us the benefits of increased productivity, which is an issue for construction as a whole, is allowing us to accurately report on our carbon, which is another issue for the industry as a whole, and also it's an easy to use platform and app that our subcontractors have got on board with really easily. In terms of next steps, as Maester Goddess at Houston, we are looking at how we integrate this into our contract for our subcontractors, as it's important that they know from the get-go what they need to use and how they need to use it.